Good day. My name is Sharon Tinberg, and I have dedicated the last 14 years of my life to make house cleaning easier, along with making it easier to train others to clean efficiently without sacrificing quality. As a matter of fact, in most cases, maybe all cases, cleaners' quality improved with this process. Even those with experience who were excellent cleaners, this made them outstanding. How did they improve? Because they saw things that they did not see before. Process is very hard to teach in a home, and most offices still do all of their cleaning training in the home. Best case, some offices show the supplies in the office before entering a home. Like a cleaner is going to remember what to use when by the time they reach the home. Not if it is not repeated time and time again. Some companies actually have a documented manual where they repeat it time and time again. Kudos to them. Especially if they pay the trainee to read that manual before they ever pick up a cleaning cloth. That employee will learn faster, be faster, and last longer than an employee who learns it all by watching others clean in the home. But process is another story. I believe it is impossible to teach in a home because of the distractions from clients, dogs, cats, whatever. Not to mention the distractions from teaching procedures in the home. Your products, your tools, and your actions. They simply overpower any attempt at teaching process to the cleaner. They will be slower and their quality will be poor because they do not have a consistent process that works. In order to teach a process that works, you need to have a process that works. And I am beginning to learn that most companies do not have a consistent process. So I'm going to take the next 9 days and teach the 9 steps, or passos, for cleaning a bathroom, and the logic for that step, and the reason it is in the order it is in. Today we will cover step 1. Simple enough. There are 2 actions in step 1. First, bring your supplies caddy, your long duster, your vacuum cleaner, and your apron, if it is not already on, and place them just outside the door. Second, gather the trash can and rugs and place them just outside the door next to the supplies you just put there. This step seems so simple, but if not taught to a new employee before they leave the office and they're on a team, they might end up carrying nothing into the home. I've just seen this happen. I believe it is not an indication of their energy level, although you might wrongfully so think that. They simply don't know what to carry and they don't want to get in the way, so they carry nothing. Remember, these people come with very little self-confidence. Or someone has to take the time to tell them what to carry, and that takes time. And time is money. Why should anyone have to take the time to teach them this when it should be taught in the office before they ever leave the office, or better yet, in their home on their cell phone the night before they even start working for you? A new cleaner should know exactly which supplies caddy is theirs if there is more than one caddy, and what is in that caddy, which they should learn in your manual. But they even need to know which caddy is theirs in order to follow step 1 of the process. Take your supplies bucket, your long duster, your apron, and vacuum and set it just outside the first bath you are going to clean. If you are fortunate enough to have someone who's aggressive enough to ask which caddy is theirs, I guarantee you they will still end up in that bathroom without the long duster and the aspiradora, the vacuum, unless you teach them this before they enter the home. And unless you tell them to place them out just outside the bathroom by the door, on a towel if that area is carpeted, which should be in your manual. They will carry it into the bath and trip over this stuff for the rest of the cleaning of the bathroom. They will move it several times. Instead, when they finish gathering the trash and the rugs and they place those just outside the door, they can quickly grab that long duster and go into the bathroom in preparation for step 2, which is long dusting. See you tomorrow for one of the most difficult processes there is to teach, and that is long dusting. And that is why a lot of companies don't do it at every visit, because it takes too long, and that is why a lot of companies lose their repeat client. So if you can't wait until tomorrow to figure out how to teach someone how to do long dusting, or better yet, how to do it yourself most efficiently with the best quality, visit www.housecleanerstraining.com, order a 5-day free trial, and watch for yourself. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.